Okay, the next one, see here. So in the previous case, we have seen one problem. Yes, this problem. Let's look at this problem. Okay. So the next one, the final value. Okay, because in the problem, I didn't notice that. Sorry. Okay, see here, 4 rows of wires. So we already found the value that is for 1 rows of wire. So 4 rows of wires means what will be your final value? 2400 meter. So from that 2400 meter, if you multiply by 4 times, you will get 9600 meter. So this is your answer. Okay. So the next problem. Okay. Already they find that side of the square meter whose perimeter is 20 meter, right? So first one, so the perimeter of the square equal to 20 meter. Formula of that perimeter of the square, 4 times of A. So 4A equal to 20 meter. This 4 will go that side. So 20 divided by 4 because 4 multiplied by A. So 4 and A are multiplication. So take that numerical value, that means number alone, you have to take that side, means here it is multiplication. If it go that side, other side of that right hand side, that means it will come division. So 20 divided by 4, so A equal to 5 meter. So this is your answer. Okay. So we'll see the next problem. Okay. So just read the problem. Yes. Find the cost of fencing. Cost of fencing. Okay, fencing means you already know, to cover with some material. Okay, that particular length, total length we are going to cover with some material. Okay, maybe any bush or whatever it will take. Okay, you take wires, anything. Okay, find the cost of fencing a square park. So what is the shape? Square. Okay, first identify the shape and what they asked. What is the given value? Okay, so park side 250 meter. So that means in that square, so totally 250 meter. If you are see here, side 250 meter. Okay, side 250 meter at the rate of 20 rupees per meter. So cost of fencing. Fencing, whenever there is a keyword, whenever in the problem they are giving in the fencing, means what we have to do? Perimeter or area? Perimeter. Okay, so the perimeter is that we have to use. Okay, so the solution is here. Okay, first one, the side of the square 250 meter. Okay, perimeter of the square you already know, 4 times of side or 4A, anything, but anyway 4 times of sides. So one side value, so imagine in one side value 250 meter. So 4 times means 4 multiplied by 250. So 1000 meter, you will get 1000 meter. The perimeter which value will be 1000 meter. So cost of the fencing per meter equal to 20 rupees. So cost of the fencing per meter equal to 20 rupees. No. So that means what will be the total value? 1000 meter for 1 meter 20 rupees. So cost of fencing for 1000 meter, which should be 1 meter 20 rupees, means 1000 meter we have to multiply by 1000. So 20 into 1000 meter. So as you already know, see here 2 into 1 2, remaining 0 you will add. Okay, so 20,000 rupees. So the cost of fencing for 1000 meter equal to 20,000 rupees. So this is your answer. Okay. Okay, can you understand the problem? So just look at this one. Cost of fencing. First you need to find the perimeter of the given shape. What shape they given? Square. Okay, so square they given means you have to find the value of the perimeter of from the given value. Then after you have to multiply it with the given rupees. Okay, so the next problem. Okay, I'll give one homework problem. Sir, how to find this one? Okay, first find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 175 meter and breadth 125 meter at the rate of 12 per meter. Okay, just read the problem again. What they ask? Find the cost of fencing. we need to understand what is mean by fencing. Fencing, as I already said, fencing is you have to find the perimeter or the total length along the boundary of the given shape. So what is the given shape? Rectangular park. Okay, park means you like very much, right? So rectangular park. So rectangular park means, what is the rectangular? Rectangle means what? So length maximum value, breadth minimum value. Okay, so it will be not equal value, opposite sides are it will be equal, but that all the total value, total side should not be equal. Okay, so here we have to find that. So length, how to find? I'll give hint. Okay, first use perimeter of the rectangle. So perimeter of the rectangle means, what is the formula? 2 into L plus B. So L means what? So L means length of the rectangle. That means the high value, okay, maximum value. Next, B, breadth means what? So breadth means a short side, shorter one, okay. So first you have to find the perimeter from the given value. So what is your length? Substitute the value. Instead of L, you have to substitute 175 meter. Instead of breadth, you have to substitute 125 meter. And then what to do? Inside the bracket, what is the symbol? Yes, addition symbol. Okay, so 175 plus 125 meter, if you are adding means, so you will get some value. So that is your perimeter value. Okay, that's your perimeter. For that means total value will, which will come some meter, some value and some meter. So for 1 meter, 12 rupees. That means for 12, okay, that given meter, totally how much you found, from that if you multiply it by 12, you will get your answer. Okay, so understood the problem? First, what is the shape? Either perimeter or area. Cost of fencing, what is that minimum rate? They mentioned in the problem. Okay, so these are all the few problems I gave here. So you have to solve that remaining problems. Okay, if you have any doubt, just ask in the Zoom session. That time I will clear your doubt. Anyway, you have to practice well. Okay, so it will be very easy chapter. I think only 2 shapes only they mentioned in your class. Okay, 2 or 3 shapes, few shapes only. Okay, either rectangle or square or triangle maybe. Okay, so anyway, you have to solve the problem. Given value, first write in the given value, and then you have to write that what is the formula, and substitute that values and find your final answer. Okay, so this is our, so we are going to end that final session. Okay, so today what we have seen, so we have seen that few problems based on perimeter. Okay, so how to find the perimeter if they give length and breadth or side. Okay, otherwise how we have to find from the perimeter to the side. Okay, for example, if the perimeter of that side of the square equal to 20 meter, what is that side value? Okay, perimeter value is 20 meter in the square. So what is the side value? Means simply what you have to do, so 4a equal to 20, a equal to 20 divided by 4, you will get 5 meter. Okay, so easily you will get one answer. Okay, so students, just practice the problem. No problems when you are having any doubts or you cannot understand anything, means no problem. You just post your doubts in the Zoom session. So I will clear your doubts. Okay. So in your CW, these problems you have to copy that. Okay, you have to copy. And the remaining problems, if it is any few problems is there, means you have to do your own. First take your own rough note. You have to work out once. Okay, either it may be wrong or right, no problem. Just work out. Okay, so just work out. If you're getting that answer, if you are not getting answer, so no problem. Just try it. Okay, because once if you are trying anything, okay, so you will get, you are going to the path of the success. Okay, so thank you all. So once again I thank you. So next class we will see the session. Okay, next chapters, that means next exercise in the mensuration, next exercise. So thank you all. So thank you so much. So good luck, okay, for your for solving the problem. Okay, so thank you.